AI investing platforms, automated stock trading, cryptocurrency trading with AI, investing in AI-powered businesses, AI applications in real estate, personal finance with AI, AI for creativity and innovation, AI in healthcare investments, AI consulting services, investing in AI education. Hello, future wealth builders. In today's guide, we'll delve into the intricacies of getting rich with AI in 2024. Artificial intelligence is not just transforming industries, it's creating unique opportunities for those ready to seize them. Buckle up as we explore strategic approaches to leverage AI for financial growth. Number 1. AI investing platforms. Kickstarting our journey, consider AI-driven investing platforms. These platforms utilize sophisticated algorithms to analyze market data, identify trends, and offer personalized investment recommendations. Look for platforms that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Number 2. Automated stock trading. Take advantage of AI-powered trading bots for automated stock trading. These bots leverage machine learning to process vast amounts of market information in real time, executing trades based on predefined strategies. They can help optimize your trading activities and respond swiftly to market changes. Number 3. Cryptocurrency trading with AI. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, explore AI-driven trading strategies. AI algorithms can analyze the highly dynamic crypto market, providing insights to make informed decisions. This approach allows you to navigate the volatility and potentially capitalize on crypto trends. Number 4. Investing in AI-powered businesses. Consider investing in or starting businesses that harness the power of AI. Industries like healthcare, finance, and e-commerce are ripe for innovation. Look for ventures integrating AI technologies to enhance efficiency, customer experiences, and overall performance. Number 5. AI applications in real estate. Unlock opportunities in real estate by leveraging AI applications. Predictive analytics can assist in understanding property value trends and market dynamics. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, AI can provide valuable insights for strategic decision-making. Number 6. Personal finance with AI. Optimize your personal finances using AI-powered tools. Explore apps that analyze your spending habits, offer budgeting suggestions, and provide tailored investment advice. These tools can empower you to make informed financial decisions aligned with your goals. Number 7. AI for creativity and innovation. Tap into AI-enhanced creativity. Explore tools that generate content or assist in design. Whether you're starting a creative business or offering freelance services, AI can amplify your capabilities and open new avenues for income generation. Number 8. AI in healthcare investments. Dive into the intersection of AI and healthcare. Explore startups leveraging AI for diagnostics, personalized medicine, or health monitoring. The healthcare industry is witnessing a technological revolution, presenting unique investment opportunities. Number 9. AI consulting services. Position yourself as an AI expert and offer consulting services. Many businesses are seeking guidance on integrating AI solutions. By staying ahead in AI trends, you can provide valuable insights to organizations looking to enhance their operations. Number 10. Investing in AI education. Invest in your knowledge by exploring AI education and training programs. As AI continues to advance, there's a growing demand for skilled professionals. Whether you're looking to offer expertise or invest in AI education platforms, positioning yourself in this space can be financially rewarding. As we conclude this in-depth guide on getting rich with AI in 2024, remember that success in this realm requires strategic planning, continuous learning, and adaptability. AI is a tool that, when wielded wisely, can pave the way to financial prosperity. Stay informed, explore ethical applications, and may your journey toward wealth building with AI be both lucrative and fulfilling. Until next time, Happy investing!